It's Wednesday, the 11th of December 2024. Welcome to the 111th edition of the Aurea newsletter series, where we shall discuss the cultivation, harvesting, processing, and domestic use and export sales of hibiscus flower from Nigeria. Before we get started, we would like to take a moment to welcome you to this channel. If you are visiting us for the first time, please subscribe, like and share this video and help us grow our family. If you have already subscribed, then show your support by liking the video and making a comment. Now let's dive in. Opening purview. Hibiscus flower, particularly Hibiscus sabdarifa, is one of the most widely cultivated flowering plants in Nigeria. Known for its vibrant red color and numerous health benefits, hibiscus is a vital agricultural product that plays a significant role in Nigeria's economy. The flower is primarily used in making beverages like hibiscus tea, Zobo, which has gained popularity both locally and internationally for its rich antioxidant properties and refreshing taste. This series discusses the cultivation, harvesting, processing, and domestic use of hibiscus flowers, as well as opportunities for expanding the export market. Objectives. The primary objective of this series is to examine the cultivation and harvesting methods of hibiscus flowers in Nigeria. Outline the processing techniques for maximizing the value of the hibiscus flower. Explore the domestic uses of hibiscus and its impact on local industries. Highlight the export potential of hibiscus and its products.
Cultivation of hibiscus in Nigeria. Climatic and soil requirements. Hibiscus flowers thrive in tropical climates with temperatures ranging between 18 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius. Nigeria, with its abundant tropical climate, offers ideal conditions for growing hibiscus. The plant grows best in well-drained, fertile loamy soils and requires moderate rainfall, about 1,000 millimeters annually, which is abundant in most regions of Nigeria, especially in the middle belt and northern parts. Planting and care. Hibiscus is typically propagated by seeds or stem cuttings. In Nigeria, farmers often use seeds, which are sown directly into the soil during the rainy season, between March and July. The plants require regular watering, especially during dry periods, and periodic weeding to control competition from other plants. Hibiscus plants generally mature in 4 to 6 months, depending on the variety and growing conditions. Farmers must monitor for pests such as aphids and caterpillars, which can damage the flowers. Harvesting. Harvesting of hibiscus flowers is usually done manually. The flowers are picked at the peak of their bloom, typically in the early morning hours, to preserve their color and quality. Care must be taken to avoid damaging the flowers or their stems, as the quality of the flower is essential for both domestic consumption and export purposes. Processing of hibiscus flowers. Post-harvest handling. Once harvested, hibiscus flowers must be handled delicately to prevent bruising and degradation. The flowers are usually separated from their calyx and petals before processing. Proper cleaning and sorting are necessary to ensure that only high-quality flowers are processed for both local use and export. Drying. The next step is drying, which helps preserve the flowers and prevent spoilage. In Nigeria, sun-drying is the most common method of drying hibiscus flowers. The flowers are laid out on clean, elevated surfaces in a shaded area to protect them from dust and dirt. The drying process takes about 3 to 7 days, depending on the climate. Properly dried hibiscus flowers are bright red in color, and their flavor is concentrated. Grinding and packaging. After drying, hibiscus flowers are sometimes ground into powder for use in food products or beverage preparation. The powder can be packaged in sealed pouches for local sale or export. Alternatively, the dried flowers are sold whole, either fresh or pre-packaged, for the preparation of hibiscus beverages like Zobo. Processing into products such as tea, syrups, and cosmetics adds further value to the hibiscus flower, increasing its profitability for Nigerian farmers and processors.
Domestic use of hibiscus flower. Culinary uses. In Nigeria, hibiscus flowers are most commonly used to make Zobo, a popular local beverage made by boiling dried hibiscus petals, sometimes with added ginger, cloves, or sweeteners. The drink is loved for its tart, refreshing taste and is widely consumed during hot weather. The flower is also used as an ingredient in other dishes, such as salads and jams, and can be incorporated into sauces and soups for its unique flavor and nutritional benefits. Medicinal and nutritional benefits. Hibiscus is renowned for its medicinal properties. It is rich in vitamin C, minerals, and antioxidants. It is commonly used in traditional Nigerian medicine to treat ailments such as hypertension, digestive issues, and respiratory conditions. The hibiscus beverage is also considered an effective remedy for boosting immunity and improving skin health. Cosmetic and industrial uses. Beyond food and beverages, hibiscus extract is also used in the cosmetic industry. Its natural properties make it a key ingredient in skincare products, such as lotions, soaps, and oils. The antioxidant properties of hibiscus help prevent premature aging of the skin, making it an attractive ingredient in the beauty industry. Export potential of hibiscus. Global market demand. There is growing international demand for hibiscus flowers and their products, particularly in the beverage and cosmetic sectors. Countries in Europe, North America, and Asia have seen increased consumption of hibiscus-based teas, especially as health-conscious consumers seek out natural products rich in antioxidants. Nigeria has an opportunity to expand its share in the global market, given its favorable climatic conditions for large-scale hibiscus production. However, Nigerian farmers and producers face challenges in ensuring consistent quality and meeting the required international standards for export. Export challenges and opportunities. The primary challenges in the export of hibiscus from Nigeria include inconsistent quality control. There is a need for better post-harvest handling, storage, and processing techniques to meet international quality standards. Limited access to markets. Many small-scale farmers lack direct access to international markets, relying on intermediaries who often reduce the profitability of the farmers. Packaging and branding. To appeal to international consumers, Nigerian hibiscus products must be packaged and branded effectively. However, there are significant opportunities, including the expansion of value-added products, such as hibiscus tea bags, concentrates, and cosmetic products, to attract higher price points on the international market.
Conclusion and recommendations. Hibiscus cultivation holds great potential for both domestic consumption and export. The Nigerian hibiscus industry is poised for growth, but there are several areas that need attention. Capacity building. Farmers need better training in modern cultivation, post-harvest handling, and processing techniques to improve the quality of their products. Investment in infrastructure, improved storage facilities, transportation, and processing units will ensure that hibiscus flowers retain their quality throughout the supply chain. Marketing and export promotion. Nigeria should invest in promoting its hibiscus products in international markets, emphasizing the flower's health benefits, rich flavor, and natural appeal. By addressing these challenges and leveraging the growing demand for natural health products globally, Nigeria can strengthen its position as a leading exporter of hibiscus flowers and products, benefiting its farmers and the national economy. If you would like to learn more or wish to discuss paid brand sponsorship of any of our agribusiness videos, please contact us on any of the social media handles below. Quote of the week. When words escape, flowers speak. Bruce W. Curry.